Happy June 1st, happy Father's Day month. I will be making some unique, beautiful, personalized Father's Day gift baskets. Come along. So our first gift basket will be for someone that loves snacks, in particular popcorn. Here we have 3 different amazing seasonings, but I'm going to put in separate little bags. And of course here I'm going to try to match the tags to the color of each popcorn seasoning flavor. And they read especially for you because the details always matter. This is the closest I got to this color, so we're going to just work with it. Here I'm doing a quick double take on the size. Now we have some really yummy flavors. We have white cheddar. Then we have butter, salt, and we have ranch. Ranch happens to be my favorite seasoning. This is a nice box, but we will not be using a box for the popcorn gift. We're actually going to be using something very unique. It is a crown, so excited to use that for the first time. Now here we have these whiskey ice stones that you can put in your glass. So we're just going to repackage it because the box looks like it's not in the best of shapes. And of course for Father's Day it reads Best Dad Ever. We can either use this black pouch or this white container. I'm going to go with the white. Give it your best shot and let me know in the comments without cheating, without Googling it. What do you think this is used for? At the end of the year, I will be giving away a free gift basket. You just have to follow along and play along with each of my video questions starting this video. So it's starting mid-year from June through December. I'm going to be asking random questions in the video, and if you drop the correct answer and you are first, then whoever gets the most points at the end of the year will get a free gift basket. Look what we have here. I am so excited to use this crown for a gift basket. Now generally you can actually use this together like so, but I will not be doing that. Maybe another time. For now I will be making 2 separate crown gift baskets for Dad. I will be using 2 types of bags for each crown gift basket. One bag is actually going to sit in the inside of the crown, and then the other bag we're going to wrap around the outside. So stay tuned for that. I believe this is so pretty. This was actually not part of either basket, but to add some cushion, I put that little pretty iridescent paper at the bottom. So here you will see me putting in the first bag, which we were going to use some sticky tape, or sticky tabs rather, so that the bag does not look too messy. And we're going to stick it just a few around the edges in the inside. Let's go ahead and assemble our basket. Yes, I'm adding the items with the basket backwards because it is easier to see at the moment. We will be adding a black ribbon at the bottom of the crown as well. So stay tuned. Now, as previously mentioned, I'm going to add these little round sticky tabs to keep the bag somewhat in place. Just give it a little extra security. And of course, you will see the entire first crown towards the end because I want to hop right into crown number 2. We'll be adding this small little styrofoam block piece to give the first gift some support. As you can see here, it does not look good sitting this way in the basket. It also will not stand up on its own without falling. So we're going to just quickly add this piece with some tape, and then that way it'll sit in the basket a lot better. Side 1, we're going to use this teeny tiny cute little tape, and then on side 2 we will use the round sticky tabs because they have a stronger grip. Mission accomplished. Look at that. I love it. Now again, let's add this piece of iridescence for no other reason than it is gorgeous and I love it. Let's go ahead and quickly add our goodies. Now, should we go with the white shredding or the yellow shredding? Let's go ahead and cut up our cellophane bag real quick, and then we'll make that decision. I think I'm gonna go with yellow. We are on the final steps of this gift. Then we get to make our final gift, which will be a box. Please drop a note in the comments and let me know what part of the crown gift basket process was your favorite. Moving along, we're jumping into our final gift, which is going to be a box. Now, I do like to give certain items, like this book, a little extra protection, so I'm just going to quickly wrap it up in this cellophane material. Here is a little sneak peek of the 2025-2026 poster from Manchester City. I will be adding this. Again, since this is personalized, we know what this father likes and all of his favorite treats and things like that. If you've made it this far, first of all, thank you so much for your support. Secondly, don't forget to answer the question about this gift that I just had in my hand for your chance to win a free large gift basket by A&A Creations, which is me, at year end. Good luck to all participants and happy Father's Day to all of the hard-working fathers. Happy Father's Day, everyone.